Hey there! Today we're going to show you how to set up the Impact LKB-5C. Let's take a look at what you'll find inside the box. The light kit bag, 2 padded L-shaped side panels, 3 internal dividers, and a shoulder strap. Alright then, let's put it together. Step 1. Open the bag and remove all the contents. Step 2. Insert the L-shaped panels into the bag as walls. Press the touch connect strips of the bag against the fabric of the panels to secure them in place. Step 3. Insert the dividers and press the touch connect strips to the L-shaped panels to secure them in place. That's it, you're good to go. For more information, hit the subscribe button and visit us at impactstudiolighting.com.